Welcome back to another video. First, go to Google, search for a YouTube channel art template. And then choose the image. I will choose this one. And then long press and click download image. Now let's go to Picsart. Now click the plus button. Then go to collage, choose grids, and then pick your chosen background. Now let's adjust the border thickness. And then we need to adjust the ratio into YouTube. Now we are going to measure our banner through our downloaded template. We need to put the text in the darkest part of the template. Then let's remove it. I want to put image in my banner, so I will choose this one and then I will cut it out. Select the person. And then restore it. Then I will erase the background. Then restore it again. Now let's preview. Restore it again. Now resize it according to the size of the template before. I want to put a sticker in this image. I want something aesthetic. I will choose this one. And then I will adjust the opacity. Oh, let's make it about 47. And then I will adjust it according to what I want. I want to place it in the image. And that's it. Now let's add a text. I'll put my channel name. And then I will change its color. I will choose this one. And then I will add some stroke. I will choose this one. And then I'm going to adjust and resize according to the template. Now this is the final design. We're just going to resize this. Click the arrow above, choose the tools, and then click resize. Must change the size in standard size of the channel art so that it will fit to our channel banner. The standard size is 2048 and 1152. And now let's save it. You are now have a channel banner. What I did is I just resize and crop my banner and put it at the center of the background. Click the tools, then resize. I changed the size in 150. That's the standard size for the watermark. And voila, you have now the watermark of your videos. Now let's save this one. Now I will upload it into my YouTube channel. Just go to Google Chrome. You need to make it into a desktop site. And then go to your YouTube channel. Go to channel customization. And then select branding. You can see your profile picture here. You can change it and the banner image. Now let's change it. I will upload my new channel banner. If you haven't uploaded yet your YouTube banner video watermark, the button you can see in the change button is upload button, and then select done. Below the banner image, you can see the video watermark. I'm going to change this and put my video watermark that I made before. And then we're done. Now let's publish it. Now I will check this. I will go to my channel. Okay, that's it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below if you want me to make a YouTube thumbnail tutorial. Bye!